Alright guys, so in the last video we finished up our services page. Now we're going to work on the blog, which is actually going to be very simple. It's just going to be some cards, basically card columns. So what we'll do is copy everything on the About page, the About HTML, and then create a new file in our source folder called blog.html. And we're going to paste this in, and let's go all the way to the top, and then we're going to take the active class off of the About li and put it onto the blog li. Alright, and then we're just going to change in the heading. We're just going to say, we'll say read our blog. And we'll change this. We'll say blog section. We'll change the ID to blog. And let's see, we're just going to have one column. Let's see, I'm actually going to get rid of everything else here. The icon boxes and the testimonials, get rid of that. Just leave the footer. So for this, we're going to get rid of the two call MD6s that are inside the row, and we just want one column, so just a call. In here we're going to have a card column. Okay, so this is going to have a class of card columns, and then we'll do a card. Okay, now this card is going to have an image, and the image is going to come from Lorem Pixels. So we're going to say www.lorempixel.com. We're going to do 500 by 500 slash, and let's take the city category and the first image. Okay, and this is going to have a couple classes as well. It's going to have a class of card-img-top. It's also going to have a class of image-fluid. Okay, and then under the image, we're going to have a class of card body. And in the card body, we're going to have an h4 with the class of card title. Okay, this card title, we're just going to say blog post 1. And under the h4, let's put in a small tag with the class of text muted. And in here, we're going to say written by Jeff on 07/20. All right, and then I'm going to put an HR, and under that we'll have a paragraph with the class of card text. Okay, and then in here, let's say lorem 30. So that's our first card. Now the next card I'm going to make a little different. I'm going to actually make it into a block quote. So let's go directly under this div with the class of card and create another div with the class of card. And I'm also going to give this one a class of P3. I want to give it padding 3 all the way around. And then we're going to put in here, let's see, we're going to do a block quote, which is going to have a class of block quote. Let's see, what else? Actually, you know what? This is going to have a class of both card-body and card-block quote. All right, and then let's see what we want to do in here. We'll just put a paragraph, and we'll say lorem 15. And then this block quote is going to have a footer. So under the paragraph, let's put a footer tag. Okay. And in here, we're going to put a small tag with the class of text muted. And in here, we're just going to say someone famous in, and then we'll put our site. So CITE. It's going to have a title attribute of, let's say, we'll just say source title. And the site tag, and inside here we'll just say source title. Let's save it and let's take a look. So we'll go to our blog page, and that's what it should look like. So we have our basic card with our image, and then we have the block quote underneath it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is actually copy the two cards we just created. So let's see, this one ends here, and then we're going to go up until the first card, so this here, and let's copy it. Let's go ahead and paste in right underneath. So right here, we're going to change the image of this one to city 2, and let's say blog post 2, And then for the block quote, I'm just going to add a class of BG danger to make it red and text white. And let's save. Let's see, that's not right. This actually needs to go, both of these need to go on the card, not the block quote. Sorry about that. And there we go. So the text muted, you can't really see, so we'll just get rid of that. Class of text muted. Okay. And then we'll grab, or we won't grab, we'll just paste it in again. So we want to go under, let's see, so we have the first card, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Let's go right under the fourth one and paste in. Actually, we're going to have to copy them again. So I'll just copy both of these cards and paste that in. And we'll change the image to City 3. Let's change it to Blog Post 3. And we'll do BG Primary. Save. And there we go. So basically we just have some card columns with some images, a title, the author, and then we have block quotes underneath each one. Alright, so that's going to be it, guys. Very, very simple page. In the next video, we're going to start on the contact page.